मेरे पैरों में दर्द है। माई लेग्स हर्ट। माई लेग्स हर्ट। रीना को तैयार करो और उसे बाहर लाओ। गेट रीना रेडी एंड ब्रिंग हर आउट। गेट रीना रेडी एंड ब्रिंग हर आउट। दूध फाड़ने के लिए इसमें नींबू का रस डाल दो। एड लेमन जूस टू कर्डल द मिल्क। एड लेमन जूस टू कर्डल द मिल्क। उसे यहाँ ले आओ। गेट दैट हेयर। गेट दैट हेयर। पता नहीं इतना क्यों शर्माता है वो। I don't know why he is so shy. I don't know why he is so shy. थोड़ा खिसको। Move a bit. Move a bit. राजमा चावल बना दो बस। Just make kidney beans and rice. Just make kidney beans and rice. धूप में कपड़ों का रंग उड़ जाएगा। Clothes would fade in the sunlight. Clothes would fade in the sunlight. मैं नहीं चाहता कि कल को लोग मुझे कहें कि हमने तुम्हारे लिए ये किया। I don't want people to say afterwards that they had done that for me. I don't want people to say afterwards that they had done that for me. तुम जा सकते हो, यह यहीं रहेगा। You can leave, he remains here. You can leave, he remains here. मुझे मिल गया। I have got. I have got. मैंने थोड़ी कॉफी बनाई है, थोड़ा सा लोगे? I have made some coffee. Would you like some? I have made some coffee. Would you like some? तार पर कपड़े डाले हैं, उतार लाओ। Get down the clothes hanging on the line. Get down the clothes hanging on the line. तार पे कपड़े डाल दो। Hang the clothes on the line. Hang the clothes on the line. अगर मैं जाऊंगा तो सबको पता लग जाएगा। If I go, everyone will get to know about this. If I go, everyone will get to know about this. खाना परोस दो। Serve the meal. Serve the meal. पिछले रविवार हमने पार्टी की थी। We had a party last Sunday. We had a party last Sunday. ऐसा लगता है जैसे मैंने कोई पाप किया हो। It seems as if I have committed a sin. It seems as if I have committed a sin. उसने क्या कहा, मैं समझ नहीं पाया। I couldn't understand what he said. I couldn't understand what he said. देखो ये सीधा लगा है कि नहीं। Check whether it is inserted the right way up. Check whether it's inserted the right way up. आजकल हल्की ठंड है। It is slight cold nowadays. It is slight cold nowadays. मैं यहाँ आते आते खो गया था। I got lost while coming here. I got lost while coming here. इसका स्वाद अच्छा है। It tastes good. It tastes good. मुझे वहाँ ले चलो। Take me there. Take me there. तुम हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ उल्टी पुल्टी हरकतें करते रहते हो। You are always up to some mischief. You are always up to some mischief. लगे रहो। Keep it up. Keep it up. वो घबरा गई। वो घबरा गई। She got nervous. She got nervous. शुरुआत तुमने की, खत्म भी तुम ही करोगे। You started it and you will finish. You started it and you will finish. Give up. ये बहुत ही छोटा है। It's too small. It's too small. तुम्हें क्या लगता है कमल और मेरे बीच कुछ चल रहा है? You think there's something going on between Kamal and me? You think there is something going on between Kamal and me? अपने हाथों को घुमाओ। Roll your hands. Roll your hands. रसोई में जूठे बर्तन रखे हैं। Dirty dishes are in the kitchen. Dirty dishes are in the kitchen. अगर मेरा बस चले तो मैं उसका गला दबा दूं. If I could help it, I would strangle him. If I could help it, I would strangle him. माँ, आप पूरा दिन काम करती रहती हैं. Mom, you keep on working all day. Mom, you keep on working all day. मुझे इस बारे में बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता. I don't know about this at all. I don't know about this at all. कभी हार ना मानो. Never give up. Never give up. 1 minute please. 1 minute please. 1 minute please. अब जैसा भी मैं कहता हूँ वैसा करो. Now do as I say. Now do as I say. मैं पक गया हूँ. I am fed up. I am fed up. नहीं, ये सच है. No, it's real. No, it's real. मुझसे एक गिलास पानी गिर गया. I spilled a glass of water. I spilled a glass of water. कुछ और चाहिए? Need anything else? Need anything else? मेरा अब तक का सबसे महंगा बैग है. This is the most expensive bag I have ever had. This is the most expensive bag I have ever had. विद्यालय जाओ. Go to school. Go to school. मैं दीवार के सहारे खड़ा हूँ. I am standing against the wall. I am standing against the wall. क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकता हूँ प्लीज? May I know your name please? May I know your name please? इतना समय नहीं हो सकता. जरूर मेरी घड़ी ही तेज होगी. That can't be the time. My watch must be fast. That can't be the time. My watch must be fast. मुझे ऑफिस पहुंचने में 25 मिनट लगते हैं. It takes me 25 minutes to get to work. It takes me 25 minutes to get to work. जमीन पोंछने के लिए एक गीला कपड़ा ले आओ. Get a damp cloth to wipe the floor with. Get a damp cloth to wipe the floor with. थप्पड़ पड़ेगा. You will be slapped. You will be slapped. शायद माँ के घर जाऊं. I might go to my paternal home. I might go to my paternal home. बर्तन उठाकर यहाँ से ले जाओ. Pick up the dishes and carry them away. Pick up the dishes and carry them away. जरा बर्तन धोने में हाथ बटा दो प्लीज. Give a hand with the washing up please. Give a hand with the washing up please. अलार्म लगा दो. Set the alarm. Set the alarm. जान में जान आई. What a relief. What a relief. एक और लो. Have one more. Have one more. अपने हाथ साबुन और पानी से धोएं. Wash your hands with soap and water. Wash your hands with soap and water. मेरे होते हुए कोई तुम्हारा कुछ भी नहीं बिगाड़ सकता. Nobody can harm you in my presence. Nobody can harm you in my presence. मेरी और तुम्हारी अच्छी जमेगी. You and I will get on pretty well. You and I will get on pretty well. बताओ हमें तुम वहां गए थे या नहीं. Tell us had you gone there or not. Tell us had you gone there or not. कचरा कूड़ेदान में डाल दो. Put the sweepings in the dustbin. Put the sweepings in the dustbin. 2 coffee please. 2 coffees please. 2 coffees please. केवल 2-3 लोगों से काम चलता था. Only 2 or 3 people were there to serve. Only 2 to 3 people were there to serve. वो मुझसे कम जानती है. She knows less than I do. She knows less than I do. आपके हारने का क्या कारण था? What was the reason behind your defeat? What was the reason behind your defeat? मुझे रात रात भर जागना पड़ता है दादी के लिए. I have to stay up all night for my grandmother. I have to stay up all night for my grandmother. मुझे ये काम करना है. I have to do this work. I have to do this work. कब से कब तक? From when to when? From when to when? मैं अमीर नहीं हूँ. I am not rich. I am not rich. पंखा लगा दो. Install the fan. Install the fan. इसे भर दो. Fill it up. Fill it up. तू क्या बताएगा उसे? मैं बताता हूँ उसे. What will you tell her? I will tell her. What will you tell her? I will tell her. समय तो देखो, 6:30 बज रहे हैं. Look at the time. It's 6:30. Look at the time. It's 6:30. मैम अभी ऑफिस में नहीं है, आप उनके नंबर पर कॉल कर लीजिए. मैम इज नॉट इन द ऑफिस एट द मोमेंट, सो कॉल हर नंबर प्लीज. मैम इज नॉट इन द ऑफिस एट द मोमेंट, सो कॉल हर नंबर प्लीज. अब जो नंबर आया है उसे ब्लैक बोर्ड पर लिखो. नाउ द नंबर यू हैव गॉट राइट ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड. नाउ द नंबर यू हैव गॉट राइट ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड. माफ करना, देर हो गई, मैं जाम में फंस गया था. Sorry, I am late. I was caught in traffic. Sorry, I am late. I was caught in traffic. मुझे एक घर चाहिए, मेरा अपना घर. I want a home. My own home. I want a home. My own home. आपका नाम? Your name please. Your name please. कल कुछ मेहमान आ रहे हैं डिनर पे. We are having some guests to dinner tomorrow. We are having some guests to dinner tomorrow. क्या तुम ये ग्लास हटा सकते हो? Can you put this glass away? Can you put this glass away? तुमने अपने बाल कटवाए हैं? बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. You have had your hair cut? It looks great. You have had your hair cut? It looks great. वो बीमार पड़ गई. She fell ill. She fell ill. इतनी आसानी से नहीं मिलेगा. You won't get it so easily. You won't get it so easily. खूबसूरती दिल और ज़मीर में होनी चाहिए. Beauty should lie in the heart and conscious. Beauty should lie in the heart and conscious. नहीं, मैंने उसे अभी नहीं बताया है. No, I haven't told her yet. No, I haven't told her yet. हाथ हटाओ मेरे ऊपर से. Get off me. Get off me. नहीं, लेकिन मौसम बहुत अच्छा था. No, but the weather was very nice. No, but the weather was very nice. रिया कितने बजे आ रही है? At what time is Riya arriving? At what time is Riya arriving? मैं भी कल रात देर तक जागता रहा. I was up late last night too. I was up late last night too. मेरी शादी 4 साल पहले हुई थी. I got married 4 years ago. I got married 4 years ago. मुझे चलेगा. Fine with me. Fine with me. आज नहीं तो कल. Sooner or later. Sooner or later. तुम खो जाओगे. You will get lost. You will get lost. चेन खोलो. Undo the zip. Undo the zip. माफ कर दो और भूल जाओ जो भी हुआ. Forgive and forget. Forgive and forget. हाजिरी लेने का समय हो गया. Now it's time to take the register. Now it's time to take the register. क्या तुम देर से सोई थी? Did you go to bed late? Did you go to bed late? आप भी. All of you. All of you. महीने में एक बार. Once a month. Once a month. हफ्ते में एक बार. Once a week. Once a week. उसने मुझे आंख मारी. He winked at me. He winked at me. अपनी टाई ढीली करो. Loosen your tie. loosen your tie. कोई परिपूर्ण नहीं होता. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. हाँ, जानता हूँ. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. काश मैं प्रधानमंत्री होता. I wish I were prime minister. I wish I were prime minister. हट गई थी मेरी. I lost it. I lost it. माफ कर दीजिए, ऐसा फिर नहीं होगा. I am sorry, it won't happen again. I am sorry, it won't happen again. मेरा मूड खराब है. I am in a bad mood. I am in a bad mood. आधा किलो कितने का है? How much for half a kilo? How much for half a kilo? मुझे मक्खन लगाने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to flatter me. Don't try to flatter me. अदरक लहसुन को दरदरा पीस लो. Grind ginger and garlic into a coarse paste. Grind ginger and garlic into a coarse paste. सब्जी में नमक कम है. There is less salt in the vegetable. There is less salt in the vegetable.